I take my boots off, let my bare feet feel that ground below. I like a soft breeze through the trees, but with a different wind. It shakes me to the bone. Days when my bare feet feels the earth, I feel alive, alive. The beauty of our world from time to time calls my name. Nature helps me heal, especially with the fire burning low, watching the sunset glow. Sometimes I need a little space. Ooh. Sometimes I need somebody beside me. Nature is where I wanna be. Fire, friend, a quiet night, or hand me a paddle and watch the water drift me away. I spent too long just getting through. Now I'm learning to enjoy the view. It's the little moments outdoors where I can see clearly. I feel alive, 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 with the whole world open and wide. Just take me away. Oh, I feel alive out under the open sky. Let the